Historic change in Cuba. But for Cuban Americans hoping to cruise to the island, no change at all.
Let's go to Victor now in the newsroom to explain how Cuban Americans are being denied tickets by the Cuban government.
Calvin, Lori, Carnival's upcoming cruises to the island are set to start very soon on May 1st. However, Cuban Americans won't be allowed on board. Those who can buy a ticket will be traveling on Carnival's sister company, Fathom Travel. And on their website, there is a short video promoting the cruises to Cuba, letting visitors know that they will be among the first U.S. travelers to sail to Cuba in over 50 years. There's no mention of the fact that Cuban Americans aren't welcomed right now, and here's why. Carnival Corporation releasing a statement that says, in part, Cuba has a long-standing regulation that no Cuban-born individuals are allowed to travel to or from Cuba by ship. This regulation applies to all cruise lines, ferries, and any form of shipping planning to travel to Cuba. It is our policy to obey the regulations and laws of the countries we sail to around the world. However, we have requested a reconsideration of this particular regulation. Now, before Carnival released their statement, the Democracy Movement had this to say. The Cuban government forces the cruise liners to also blatantly discriminate against Cubans and Cuban Americans when they want to travel to Cuba in their cruises by not selling a ticket to them because they are either Cuban or Cuban American. The Democracy Movement says that they would like to speak with Carnival. In the meantime, they say that they have presented the case to the American Civil Liberties Union, and they will be meeting with the Coast Guard to discuss a protest flotilla in Miami during the departure of the cruise line's trip to Cuba on May 1st.